How to sell your crypto on Binance. In today's video, I'll show you how to sell your crypto on Binance in just a few easy steps. So let's jump right in. First, open the Binance app or go to the Binance website and simply log into your account. Now, tap on Trade at the bottom if you're using the app, or click on Trade at the top if you're on desktop. Now, simply choose or select the Sell tab, then choose the crypto you want to sell. For example, Bitcoin, Ethereum, or BNB. As you can see, I don't have any of those, so I am not being able to do that. But if you have, you can simply swap it or sell it. You can choose a market order to sell instantly as well. Just enter how much amount you want to sell and tap sell to complete the order, and that's it. That's how you can simply sell it. And simply go to your wallet at over here, and you can see your updated balance in USDT, BUSD, or your local currency. And that's how you can simply sell crypto on Binance.